Hi guys, I finally managed to get Jimin's earrings that I wanted so much. I managed to get them at Lotte's stores in Busan. After 2 visits there and waking up very early in the morning to queue. So this is my unboxing for you. Bye. Hello! So here we are. So I managed to get it. Artist made collection by BTS Jimin. Oh, look at that. Shiny. I want to wear them tonight. So let's open them. Ooh. Ah. Ooh, I'm not too sure I will be able to do this one-handed. Good.
Good. Like they really make it difficult for you to open. Ah. Ah. Oh,
I wanted them so badly, but so badly. So here we are, my little Jimin's keyring. So up, ta-da! Okay, let's look. Oh God. Oh. And there is a little envelope. Oops. The thing is going. It's very hard to vlog with one hand. I swear to God. Oh, Jimin. Oh, let's see what he put there. I don't want to damage it. Oh, look at that. Precious Jimin. Oh, that's with his little hoodie. The hoodie that's impossible to have. He's cute. Well, I'll see that later, but at least let's see the nice little earrings. Oh. Finally, look at that. I'll wear them tonight for the concert. Let me open that. I won't be able to do this with one hand. Voila! Look at that. It's really shiny. It's really pretty. Look forward to wear them. I went to a great extent to just have that. But I'm really, really happy. There is always hope. Except for J-Hope's bag. It was not there. Okay. See ya, guys.